Crypto bros, this video is complete Mexi beginners trading tutorial. I'm gonna show you everything step by step, how you can register, deposit, and trade futures. So after watching this video, you get a knowledge how to trade crypto. This is for complete beginners. So let's just start without further ado. All right, so the first thing that you wanna do, you wanna register on Mexc Exchange. So to create an account, use my link in the description of this video, and that gets you a possibility to deposit and trade to win 9,100 USD. This is a bonus only for 22 more days. If you are watching this video and it's over a month, you're not getting the bonus, you're getting maybe some other bonus, all right? So make sure to use the bonus because why not? You get free money basically, and anyways, you're gonna need the account. So here we have more details. So I partnered with Mexi because lately I've been using actually a lot of Mexi to trade Reef. If you don't know, I'm a huge supporter of Reef. Reef has been lately trading amazingly. We are in a week around 2x in the profit since it's been not even a month. And also I like the platform. I like that you can trade up to 200x leverage. So before we start, let's take a look at Mexi Exchange, where we are, all right, comparing to other exchanges. So when it comes to derivatives, Mexi is on the 5th place, 11 billion volume, 11 daily billion volume over Bybit, over Gate, over FMX and other exchanges. They have an exchange token with 92 million market cap, 400 full diluted market cap, rank 194. When it comes to spot trading, Mexi is on number 10 currently with over 5 billion volume. So very good numbers right here. So after registering, if you already have an account, next what you want to do is go to your wallet, right? This is the main dashboard of Mexi. Next thing you want to go to your wallet, and boom, here's your wallet. What you want to do is deposit any crypto, or if you don't have a crypto, if you are not into crypto yet, you can come here, click buy crypto, and use one of these possibilities to buy crypto. So you have debit, credit card, global bank transfer, quick buy and sell, P2P, and third party payment for just to buy crypto for fiat. If you already have your crypto, you come to your wallet and you can click deposit, and boom, like you can see, you can deposit any crypto from many different coins to deposit. Let's say you want to deposit USDT, then you click a network, TRC, Omni, BEP20. So let's say you want to use BEP20, then you click to generate the address. It's going to show you the address. You copy the address, you paste it into the place where you want to send from, and then you're going to deposit crypto. All right, let's say you already have crypto in your wallet. What you want to do next, if we are talking about spot trading, then it's quite easy because you're going to automatically have it in your spot account, like you can see. Then you can go into trade spot, and like you can see, here's the main dashboard of spot trading. We have a Bitcoin here, and basically it's very easy. What you want to do, it's spot, like I told you. It's we're gonna take a look at futures after. So if you want to immediately buy Bitcoin, you click the market and you put a amount that you want to buy for. For example, if you want to buy for 200 USD, you click buy, and order successfully placed and filled because it's a market order, right? Now let's say if you want to sell the Bitcoin, boom, you sell and it's done. All right, now the next thing, like you can see, there is a possibility to trade 200x leverage, and now this is something that I haven't seen on other exchanges. This is not common to have such a big leverage on Bitcoin and Ethereum. So remember, this is only for experienced traders, especially leverage over 20-30x. It's very risky, so this is only for experienced traders. So make sure, if you want to use, it's a really nice, I really like the platform. Before you trade on futures, make sure to come here, futures, and click demo trading. That's gonna get you 50k of a fake balance basically. Like you can see, you can receive demo coins. I can receive 40,000 demo coins here. Let's say I confirm everything, and boom, you can open different positions. You can play with the leverage just to try before you trade on your money, all right? And another thing, if you are using spot trading, very nice thing, 0% fees on 0% maker fees, all spot trading pairs. So whatever coin you buy, you pay 0 maker fees. Of course, there are taker fees. If you place a market order, you put a taker fee. That means you're gonna pay a fee. But if you are putting a limit order, you're not gonna pay any fees, which is beautiful. All right, so let's say you have already tried playing with demo account. What you wanna do, if you are willing to trade futures, you wanna come here to your wallet again, and you wanna transfer funds from spot account into futures account. So let's say I'm gonna transfer everything, transfer successful. And now if you come into futures, futures overview, you have two options to trade, a coin M and USDT-M. We're gonna choose USDT-M so that we're gonna trade against USDT. Here you will be trading a crypto as the collateral. And like you can see, here is the main trading dashboard, trading futures dashboard. I'm right here on the Reef because like I told you, I've been trading Reef quite a lot. I like that gets you a possibility to trade 50x on Reef, a project which is in top 200. It's not a huge project right now, but a very nice thing is that Mexc gets you a possibility to trade 50x even such coins. All right, so let's say you want to trade Bitcoin, go into Bitcoin, and here is the main dashboard. It may look complicated to you if you're seeing this for the first time, but it's actually not that complicated. I'm going to show you right now everything, so don't worry. As I can see, here's the current price of Bitcoin. Here's a change in a percentage, funding rate, fair price, index price, 24 hours high, 24 hours low, and 24 hours volume. So basically a general info you have here just to have an overview what's the current market situation. Here you have a different time frame. So a 1 hour means one candle is basically 1 hour. If you click 1 day, one candle is 1 day. You can zoom out and you get a better overview. So for example, if you're trading more long term, if you're doing a spot trading, you're gonna be willing to zoom out and look at the bigger picture. So you might be using 1 day candles. Let's say you're trading short term, you want to use 15M, 5M, 1 hour, 30M candles because you're trading short term, right? Now, this is the main chart. Like you can see, here is the order book, market, and here is a dashboard where you place orders. So let's say you want to open an order with 10x leverage. You can put here 10x, boom, confirm. And short also, we're going to put 10x. All right, like you can see, we have available 1000 USD right here, right? So we are right now opening a position. So let's say here on this zip, we are putting the openable quantity. So if you are willing to open, that means we are putting 50% of our funds from futures trading account, from futures wallet, right? So right now I open a position with 50%. That means I'm gonna open a position. That means I'm gonna open position with 500 USD on 10x leverage. That means the total position value is going to be 5000 USD because leverage is 10x. And now you have a cross and isolated, especially if you are beginner, that's gonna get you, like you can see, isolated means that you're gonna lose. If you're gonna lose, you're gonna lose only the money that you put into position. Right here, you can put a stop loss, ROE. So for example, if you want to put 5% stop loss and 5% take profit and 5% stop loss, that's going to show you estimated profit and loss right here. If you put ROE 5%, that means in this situation, it's going to get me PNL as so a profit 24 USD and 24 loss if the price hits a stop loss, right? Of course, you can change it to, for example, 50%. That changes the situation. So let's say we want to put 10% take profit and 5% stop loss. Boom, you open a position, and right here, USDC order filled, and we have a position, long position right here. And that's basically it for the dashboard, right? I'm gonna instant close the position, and like you can see, BTC order canceled, BTC USDT order filled. So like you can see, so that was the trade. Right now, I'm gonna show you two very popular trading strategies and with indicators that I've been using. So here you have different options to choose for when it comes to the chart. You have original trading view, you have depth, but we're gonna take a look. We're gonna focus on original. Here you have different candles, and here is a place where you choose different indicators. All right, let's say a very popular indicator that I use and that many people use to trade is MACD. Boom, if you click like this, you're gonna have the indicator, like, and you can see it right here. I'm gonna show you a bigger chart, and here is the indicator. All right, so like you can see, we have a yellow line and a green line. Basically, this indicator shows you when a yellow line crosses the green one to the down, that gets you a signal to open a short position, and when the yellow line crosses a green one to the up, that gets you a signal to open a long position. Right, in the easiest possible way, this is MACD. So like you can see, for example, here was just beautiful. It shows you that we are touching here. The first point was right here. So if you open a short here, if you were actually keeping the position up until this time, there was a big profit. Or for example, if you opened a here because there was this touch, also a beautiful trade because that gets you this idea to open a short here. For example, in this situation right here, right now, that could get you an idea to open a long position. So that's it in the fastest possible way when it comes to MACD. And right now I'm going to show you EMA Cross. This is another indicator. So EMA Cross also shows you a lines on the chart. chart, like you can see, we have a yellow one, green, and the blue one. If we cross the yellow one with the blue one, of course you can change the colors, you can set up, you can customize the indicator. That gets you a signal to short the market. So this is also when the Bitcoin hit 25,000 USD 200, there was also this moment when yellow line crossed the blue line, and since then there was a nice short opportunity. The other things that I use is VPVR indicator that shows you a volume, but I'm gonna leave it for the next video. Also, there's so many things that I want to show you on the Mexc. There's copy trading, there is entire earn section where you have Launchpad, MDAY, MX Burn, and other things, staking with some nice opportunities, like you can see. But we're gonna cover this in the next videos. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or if you have any ideas for Mexc future videos, make sure to leave a comment. Make sure to comment under this video. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.